to the Accuplacer Next-Generation Writing Tutoring Series, brought to you by Learn, Color, and Create, creative learning for children, teens, and adults. See the links below for practice workbooks and official study guide materials. Today we're going to be looking at quotes. When we have quotes, you are not going to have a comma before quotes when you're quoting someone's exact words, and you are going to have a comma before quotes when there's a dialogue or conversation to indicate that someone is speaking. Let's look at some examples. This first one is when we're quoting someone's exact words. The walls are eggshell white. We're putting eggshell white in quotes to refer to the specific color of the paint. You'll notice that when we're quoting someone's exact words, we don't use a comma before the quotes. The words inside of the quotes are not typically capitalized unless it's somebody's name or some other title or something that would be capitalized anywhere in a sentence. You'll also notice that we usually don't have the punctuation inside the quotes. The punctuation will go at the end of the sentence. Let's look at the next one. The next one is when we have a dialogue or somebody is speaking, and with these type of quotes, you are going to put a comma before the quotes. So with this, you'll notice we have a comma before the quotes. The first letter inside the quotes is going to be capitalized, and we're also going to have punctuation inside of the quotes. Inside of the quotes is going to be a phrase or sentence of whatever the person is saying. So this one we have, he said, "How are you?" So once again, we have the comma before the quotes. Inside is a complete sentence having a capital letter at the first of the sentence and punctuation at the end, and all of that is enclosed inside the quotes. Let's look at another example. This one says, which is the best version of the underlined portion of the sentence? So in this example, we have the word called with no comma before the quotes. So the sentence says, her poems often bore witness to what she called the bond of living things everywhere, a bond she evoked through seemingly simple but precisely chosen words. When we look at our four choices, we first notice that answer B and C are both wrong. Those are not correct uses of punctuation before the quotes, so we're going to go ahead and just cancel those, cross those off. Then we're going to look at our other two options. Having the word called with no comma before the quotes is when we're quoting exact words, and having a comma before the quotes is when we're going to have a dialogue. So we need to decide, is this quoting someone's exact words or is this part of a conversation? We notice that this is quoting exact words, so we're going to choose option A. And if you'll notice, there's no comma before the quotes. The first letter of the, it's not capitalized because it's not part of a sentence or some type of a title. And there is a comma before the quotes, but there's no ending punctuation like a period, question mark, or exclamation. That's going to be at the end of the sentence. So to review, if we're having quotes and we're deciding should I put a comma or not, we're going to have no comma when we're quoting someone's exact words, and we are going to have a comma before quotes to indicate a conversation or dialogue. Click on the subscribe button to get more videos by Learn, Color, and Create. We wish you the best and much success in passing your Accuplacer exam.